Welcome to the amazing world of smell. Did you know your nose is a super sniffer? It can detect thousands of different smells, from fresh baked cookies to blooming flowers. Your nose works with your brain to recognize smells and even warn you of danger, like smoke or spoiled food. In this video, you'll explore the power of smell, learn about how your nose works, and have fun with the exciting activities in the accompanying book. Are you ready? Let's go! I'm going into the nose, and the first part I see is the nostril. The nostril is the hole in your nose where air and smells go in when you sniff. Once I go through the nostril, I enter a dark and moist cave. This cave is called the nasal cavity. The nasal cavity warms the air and carries smell particles to special sensors. Wait a second, what are those things on the walls of the nasal cavity? Oh, those are the special sensors I've just told you about. They are called olfactory receptors. Olfactory is the science word for smell. These receptors catch tiny smell particles and turn them into smell messages for your brain. These receptors are the ends of a wire called the olfactory nerve. This smell nerve sends the smell messages to the brain, where they are understood. But the sense of smell is special. The smell messages don't have to travel far. They go straight to a part of the brain called the olfactory bulb. The olfactory bulb gets the smell messages and starts figuring out what the smell is. All right, now you know the major parts that give you the incredible sense of smell. Can you solve this activity from the smell activity book on your own? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more by subscribing and check out the rest of our Neuroscience for Kids activity book series. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.